Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What you do? Big man thing, me not.
I like you and you know that. Don't want no other woman. I know I'm in the moment. And you I want to romance.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever, and I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, by the thumbnail, by everything, that today we'll be doing a try-on clothing haul. I don't want to say spring, I don't want to say summer, because we ain't going nowhere. So it's just a try-on clothing haul. That's it. Okay. So these are some of the things that I've been picking up in hopes that summer would have came and spring would have came. However, we don't have none of those. So we just have a clothing haul. So I'm going to just jump right into it. And I'm going to get started. And we're going to start off with accessories. So I only got one accessory. And it's these glasses. And they're from Fashion Nova. I got them. They're cute. I'm going to put them on for y'all so y'all can see. Like, I'm trying not to touch my lashes, but these are the glasses. Like, I just planned walking around in the summertime minding my business with these on, but you know, I'm gonna be in the house. So alright, so that was for the accessories. Next I'm gonna be moving on to shoes, well, sneakers. I got two pairs of Jordans. These are Air Jordan 1 mids. I don't remember the exact name for them, but it's a black, pine green, white, and gym red and black and whatever. I'm just reading what it says right there. I don't remember the name of these, but I got these in a size 5 in youth, like little boys. So these are them. They're mad cute. I always wanted the pine green ones, like the other ones, like the high top ones, but they never ever have my size. Like, my size is always gone. So I just gave up hope. And the other pine green ones came out, the ones that are just black and green, those came out, but I don't really like those. I like the mix of white in there, and this has a little bit of red. So just a green, black, and white colorway. I really like this colorway. It was really cute. And the little pop of red, I found it really interesting. So I just got these, and they're really cute. Ooh, and I got a sticker. I didn't even see that. But you know, I bought these shoes, you know, but I'm not going nowhere. So alright, so my next pair of ones that I bought those from, the green ones, I bought those from Foot Locker, I believe. Jimmy Jazz, one of those stores. And these I bought them offline on GOAT. If y'all don't know what GOAT is, they just sell a whole bunch of sneakers. Most people prefer StockX, but I prefer GOAT. So these are Air Jordan 1 mids, also these are high tops. And these are called the Metallic Gold Obsidians. Alright. But these are them. Whoa, these feel much lighter than the last ones. I don't know why. But these are them. I have yet to wear them. It's just a navy blue and white colorway. And the sole is also navy blue. It's really cute. And the little tongue right here is gold. These are cute. And I was so excited to get these. But now I can't go nowhere. So they just literally sitting down in the corner of my room doing nothing, just sitting there all cute like. But yeah, those are the shoes. And I'm highly upset because McKeon gonna wait. Alright, so next I'm gonna just move on to Boohoo, because Boohoo, I have the least stuff from there. It's a quick little ting. So we're just gonna move on to Boohoo. So first thing I got from Boohoo are these joggers. Everything that I got and everything is a size small or extra small. So if anybody wants to know. But these are the joggers that I got. They look a little see-through. Now I'm holding it up, but these are them. They have pockets right here and they're usable. Like, they function. The pockets work. It's just black. I always wanted joggers like these, but I can never find ones that were cute. And these have like the little I forgot what this is called at the bottom, but it snatches onto your ankle. But yeah, this is it. It fits nicely, kind of baggy, just how I wanted it to fit. And it's really cute and nice and lovely. Next, I got this leotard. It's actually a swimsuit, and I didn't realize it was a swimsuit until I already ordered it. And it came in the mail. And then I looked back at it, and it said swimsuit. I was like, oh, okay. But it's still cute either way. Like, I would totally wear it as a swimsuit, but I bought it thinking it was a regular schmegular leotard that I could just wear outside. I mean, you still can, but it's a swimsuit. And it just has like a swoop back, a deep swoop back. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, that's like the only thing about it. It's really simple. All right, next I got this cropped crop top turtleneck sweater, long sleeve. Yeah, that's what I got. And it has like this what's that called? Ridged. You know what I mean? It has that little material. I think it's rigged. I'm not quite sure. I don't really remember. But yeah, it's just cropped. It's just simple cropped top like that. That's it. So that's it for Boohoo. Moving on to Prettylittlething. So from Prettylittlething, I'm really excited about the things that I got from Prettylittlething. So we're just gonna start off with, nice and easy. I got a pencil skirt, a simple little black one, because I don't have anything like this at all in my closet. So if I have to go to an interview or if I want to go out with my friends or anything like that, I don't have a cute little black skirt to just put on, you know what I mean? So I just got this, and it fits really tight. Like, it's pretty tight. I don't know what's going on. It's a size 0, which is small, but yeah, it's pretty tight. I like how it fits anyway, so it's fine. All right, next thing, I also got another cropped long sleeve crop top. What is wrong with me? And it has a little turtleneck on it, and it's this nude color. It's so cute, and I had an idea, like I had an outfit to go with it, but outside it's closed. But this is it. It's a really thin material, but I really like it. It's like free, and like you can breathe in it. It's not hot. It's really nice, and I like how it fits. All right, my next top, this one I was being a little risky. I don't know who I thought I was when I was buying this, but I thought I was somebody. So it's this top. It's barely a top. It's like, bro, it's barely a top, but it was so cute on the model. And the model was built just like me. Like, she didn't have no titties, little skinny petite little girl, and it was so cute on her. So I was like, what? Is she me or am I her? Like, she's basically telling me to just buy it. So, that's what I did, and it's really cute. I really like it, but like, if the wind blows, it's a wrap. It's okay. I tried it on. I showed my mom. She was looking at me like I was crazy, but she didn't say anything. Like, the problem is my dad sees me in it. My dad can't see me in this. All right, next thing that I got was this skirt. Oh my God, this skirt is so cute. This skirt is so cute. I have a skirt like this, but I don't know where it is. I got it last year from Forever 21, but it was red. Instead, I'll insert a picture of me wearing it. But it's similar to this, but this material is a little thicker, and I don't remember if it had pockets. I don't think so. But this one has pockets, and the pockets work, and it has the strings in the front, so you can adjust the waist. But girl, let me tell you, this skirt is tight. So I'm good. I don't need to use the strings. But yeah. Alright, so my next top, this top is so cute to me. It looks really confusing, but when you guys see the try-on portion, you will understand the way the shirt goes. There's nothing in the back, just strings, and then this is the front. I was being a little scandalous. I was gonna be a little scandalous this summer. A little more, I've grown up this summer, but let's not talk about it. Next, moving on to Fashion Nova. This is the last place that I got stuff from, and yeah, there's some other stuff that I bought, but I'm not gonna include that in the video because it's gonna be too long. So I'm gonna start off with this little leotard that I got from Fashion Nova. It's really cute. I like how, oh my god, I'm not going outside. So this is a leotard. It has like a little swoop going on, you know. It's really cute. I like it. And it's like off the shoulder, one shoulder out type thing, you know, summertime, fun time. It was cute. It's really cute. Next thing that I got, woo! I'm so mad because I was supposed to get the whole sweatsuit, but I was waiting for my best friend. She just ruined everything, bro. I was patiently waiting for it, because what we like to do, we like to order things together so we can get free shipping, right? She took forever, and then the pants got sold out. Anyway, so this is the top. Ooh, it's so cute. Like, I know. It's so cute, and I really wish I had the bottoms, but I'm gonna get the bottoms eventually. The next time I buy from Fashion Nova, I'm gonna definitely get the bottoms, and yeah, so I'll be fine. But it's cute. It just says baby girl. It's a crop black hoodie, and it just has the strings, and it has a hoodie. You know, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Like, all right, next. I was being a little too scandalous with this. It's so funny because this is like covers me up the most out of like everything that I bought, but it's still the most scandalous to me. It just shows off everything. Like, it's just like a bodysuit thing, like, and it was see-through. I didn't know it was see-through until I got it and I put it on, and my mom was like, oh, it's fine. I'm like, it's fine. But yeah, it's a little see-through. It like shows everything. It shows how flat my booty is. Like, it shows how I'm built like an Amazon box. Like, I was just being scandalous, but I don't care. It was still cute to me. I was the cutest Amazon box ever when I tried it on, right? So yeah, it was just cute. It's just basic and black and whatever. And I had a whole fit in my head. It was a pretty basic fit, y'all know. This with some Yeezys and some socks and whatever. It was a basic outfit, but it was finna be so cute because I was wearing it. But anyway, let's not talk about it. So last but not least, from Fashion Nova. It's not a Fashion Nova. You didn't buy from Fashion Nova unless you bought jeans. If you didn't buy jeans from Fashion Nova, you didn't shop at Fashion Nova, right? So these jeans are a struggle. Listen to me. I bought all my jeans in a size 0, but I think I might have to size up now because, girl, these jeans were tight and they were so hard to put on. And yeah, I'm putting my weight gain journey on pause because I want to get to wear these cute jeans that I bought. So I'm putting my weight gain journey on pause, and then when I get a good wear out of my jeans, then I'll resume it. But yeah, they're just regular blue jeans with barely any rips in it because a lot of my jeans have a lot of rips in it. So I just got some that were pretty basic that I could just wear whenever. My next pair of jeans, these are like one of my favorites that I got. And they're so cute. They're pretty distressed. I forgot what these were called, but these are really cute. And I've had these in my cart for like some time since I downloaded the Fashion Nova app, which is probably like years ago. I don't know, but I finally got them and they have my size and everything. And I was like, wow, what? And they're really cute. I don't know what else to say other than these are the bomb.com, baby. Like, these jeans are fire. Fire. Alright, my last pair of jeans. These are my favorite jeans that I bought from Fashion Nova. And I can't wait to wear them. Listen, if outside is still closed when summertime is here, which it might be, most likely, probably. If it's still closed, when I'm going to work, I'm gonna get so cute to just go to work. I don't care. Outside gonna see me in my cute clothes, and I don't care what anybody gotta say. I'm gonna pull up to work, lashes on, fit on point, and they're gonna be like, where's she going? I'm going to work. Where are you going? Like, so these jeans, ooh, child. These are like boyfriend jeans, right? And me and boyfriend jeans, we haven't always had a good relationship because, once again, I'm built like an Amazon box. And I think boyfriend jeans look really good on girls who have like curves, you know, and I don't have none. But these, baby, these did it for me. I was like, wow, you know what? I don't look that bad. And they're cute. And I like how the distress, like the distress in the jeans, it's not white. It's like a cream color. So it gives the jeans character, you know what I mean? And it's really cute. I just really like the look. And once again, I have so many outfit ideas planned with all these clothing items, but Nekeisha, I'm gonna wait. So it's okay though, but like I said, I'm gonna be getting cute to go to work. So that's pretty much all that I got. I got a couple of other items. I just got a couple of Adidas t-shirts basically, and some Adidas socks. That's basically all the other things that I got, right? Yeah, I think that was it. I hope y'all enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.